and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets out there. And today we are going to talk about HP's CompuQ 515, a very different variant out here by HP series. Definitely, HP series is an amazing version, no doubt. It is a variant which is definitely designed for either the specified version for the corporate world, or we can say a home use version also. But when we talk about the HP series, when we talk about HP, every kind of a variant out there, then we can see that HP series, this gadget out here, these specified gadgets, offer you really great specifications. And CompuQ word itself means CompuQ. Q, it's there. It's not a compact version. We won't say it's a compact version, but it's a CompuQ version out there. 515, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it is working with a great range of specifications, great productivity, as well as the gadgets out here have got different processors out there, and different kind of functionalities could be seen. Now, talking about these functionalities, let us talk about the internal components first. And the first one we are going to talk about is the internal processor out here. Talking about the internal processor, we can say that the internal processor is from the ARMED company out here. Yes, you will find that it operates on the ARMED company itself. You will find that it is a dual core system out there along with ARM chip system. ARMED is a company out here which was lately very trustworthy by a lot of brands. Yes, most of the laptop brands have used this version out there because this was a variant which was quite compatible as well as compatible with the evolved versions. If you are trying something new, then definitely you can check this version out. Now, talking about this variant, ARMED variant, chip system, and variant processor are is being used. So every kind of a version it uses out this variant. So now, talking about this variant, let us talk about the pre-installed Windows also. Whereas when we talk about the laptop gadgets, then we can say that memory is really important in laptops. And talking about laptops memory, then we can say that the cache memory, RAM, hard drive storage, these kind of memories plays an important role. So talking about these memories, talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you L2 cache memory. Yes, it is offering you L2 cache memory. Along with that, you get to have 1 MB internally stored uh, size, we can say, or the internal size or installed size of this cache memory is 1 MB. So overall 1 MB is the installed size for the cache memory of L2 type, which is really good. Along with that, you also get to see that the RAM quality out here, the RAM output, the RAM here is approximately 1 GB installed RAM. It's a compact version, so you get to have a 1 GB installed RAM out here. Along with that, it offers you DDR2 type technology. Yes, DDR2 type technology is being offered, so you get to have this kind of a variant. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a memory speed of approximately 18 megahertz, 800 megahertz. So memory speed, the rated memory speed or the speed by the RAM out here, that is the random accessory memory speed, is 800 megahertz. Whereas the configuration is just 1 GB. You get to have 1 GB configuration. So overall, if you talk about the install size, then you get to have 1 GB install size out there. But it does not mean that it will not have a maximum support size. Yes, it is having a maximum support size, and the maximum support size offered out here is 8 GB. 8 GB is the maximum support size offered out by this variant. You get to see 8 GB maximum support size with two slotations. Yes, you get to have two different slotations out there. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant offers you the same speed and the same RAM type. But when we talk about this RAM, when we are talking about the RAM qualities and everything, let us talk about the hard drive storage also, because it is also important and it is really important to know how much is the hard drive or the main drive storage inbuilt in it. Talking about the hard drive storage, then we can say that it offers you 160 GB hard drive storage. Yes, 160 GB is the hard drive storage offered out here. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you HDD type hard drive storage. Yes, HDD type is the hard drive storage out here. So overall, this hard drive storage is quite good. HDD type 160 GB hard drive storage is seen. Now, since it is offering you HDD type storage, then it must also have a spindle speed, the speed out there, the hard drive speed out there. So it offers you 5400 RPM speed. So this is 5400 rotation per minute speed offered out by this gadget. So overall, if we talk about this gadget, that is really great and amazing version out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this gadget, then we can say that this gadget offers you a good interface with the memory. Along with that, a good screen size. If we talk about the screen size, then it offers you approximately 35.6 centimeter screen size. Yes, 35.6 centimeter is the screen size, overall screen size. Whereas you get to see it offers you LED backlight display along with HD resolution. So HD resolution or the HD display is there, backlight display, LED display out there. So this is variant offered out here, LED backlight HD resolution display. Now display is okay. What are the monitor featuring offered out? What kind of monitor featuring do you get to see? You get to see bright view monitor featuring. Yes, it offers you bright view monitor featuring out here, which is really good. So overall, you get to have a very good screen, very good display out here. Now, when we are talking about the display resolution, let us talk about the graphical part also, because graphics plays an important role. And talking about the graphics, we can say that graphics allows you to have the good multimedia or the outputs out there. Talking about the graphic processor, it offers you ATI Radeon HD 3200 graphics. So ATI Radeon HD 3200 graphics is being offered, which is definitely a good variant out there. It offers you an integrated webcam. Yes, it offers you integrated webcam along with stereo type speakers, microphones, a good recording and a good capture capacity, resolution capacity out here. So overall, it is offering you a good resolution. Talking about this resolution, talking about this variation, everything out there, then it must be offering you a good webcam also. Yes, it offers you a good webcam. Apart from that, let us talk about the external featuring also, the keyboard, the touchpad out here. So it has got a good dimension along with functional keys out there, all the essential keys along with the touchpad, with great connectivity with USB connectivity 2, USB connectivity 3, audio input output connectivity, that is the headphone jacks out there, power jacks out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you multi-drive connectivity. That is the optical drive connectivity out here. So a very good optical drive connectivity could be seen. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant offers you a good range of connectivity with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, good connectivity with every other part on this. Whereas SD card reading connectivity is also seen in this variant. Yes, you get to see SD card reading connectivity. Now, when we are talking about this connectivity, let us talk about the battery also. And when we talk about the battery of this gadget, then we can say that this gadget out here offers you a good battery with six cell lithium ion battery. Yes, six cell lithium ion battery is being offered out along with a capacity of 47 volts. So 47 volts is the lithium ion six cell battery offered out in this variant. So which gives you a good run timing. Let us talk about this run timing and the pricing also. Because pricing plays an important role in every gadget. And talking about the pricing, then we can say that this site, which is at justatclick.com, yes, justatclick.com offers you a great range of products, a great deal, as well as provides you huge amount of savings. These are the things offered out at this site. But along with that, you also get to have an option which is customizability option. So at just at click.com, you can customize your gadgets. if it's possible for that gadget. Yes, अगर कंपनी की तरफ से customizability option है, then definitely you can customize your gadgets accordingly. So now let us search this icon or this gadget out here in this search icon, which helps us to search our favorite gadgets in a very limited format, we can say. And we are talking about this variant. Let us talk about this variant. So this is the result out here. And talking about this gadget, talking about this variant, it is coming with bag free under the condition of refurbished. Yes, this has a product condition refurbished. Along with that, a small description at the top and a very small description at the bottom could be seen out there. So now let us talk about this refurbished condition also and see what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand certified refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are actually same like. They are actually similar. They have got the same design. You will get to see the same functionality, same testing. Everything is same out here. The same kind of things have been used internally, externally, everything is same. You get to see that the brand new products and the refurbished products are actually extension to each other, or we can say every refurbished product was once a brand new. Yes, but it is not necessary that every brand new product might be refurbished, but yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new. Now what is the major differencing out here? Brand new products are directly from the company, whereas the refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, you will get to see that refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. How? Let us see this pathway. Let us see how this chart flows out there, how the pre-ownization works. For brand new products, brand new happens to be by the company. Company releases every new gadget out here in the market, and that new gadget is termed as brand new. It is released in the market where it's being sold off to different users out here. So it is a bridge between the company and the user. Now, once the gadget is being sold out, it is being sold out to the user out here. What happens? The gadget is pre-owned. You get to have that gadget. You own that gadget now. What happens after a few months? We want to resell that gadget and wants to have something else. So this pre-owned gadget, now this gadget which is pre-owned is being resold to another user by this flowchart, or we can say by the same pathway out here. Now the user, pre-owned gadget user sells or we can say sells it off to a new marketplace. That is where the gadgets are being tested, verified before launching it. So they are sold off there. Now the website resells them. Now website wants to resell that gadget, the new user, and that website sells it off. Now here lies a slight difference. The company before bringing out into the market checks it, verifies it, everything is done on various different sites. Whereas when we talk about the marketplace, when we talk about the refurbished products, the testing, verification, everything out here, proving everything has to be done on the same site where it is being resold or where it is going to resell this product. So everything has to be done on the same site. So this is the major functionality or the major pathway followed out. Now let us talk about the uh, testing parameters, because designing is same, we said everything is same. So what are the testing parameters? Talking about the test parameters, we can say that the testing parameters involves nothing else but the external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that external parameters are the ones which can be directly checked out, yes, direct through the eyes, or we does not require any equipment or tools, anything out there. That is not required out there. Now talking about these functionalities, they are very quick out there. What are these external factors? Like the display. What kind of display? Scratches or not on the display. The design, dimensions out there, weight, battery, uh, camera out there, connectors like the USB connectors, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectors, or input output connector, power connectors, uh, charging, battery staying charging or not, work timing out here, uh, whether all the keys are functional or not, touchpad is working or not, whether they are being placed properly or not, power button out there. So all the components which can be checked out without any equipment out there has to be categorized under the external parameters. Now talking about the internal parameters, these internal parameters includes the internal components. Now what are these internal components? These are nothing else but the internal components includes the softwares. Yes, they requires highly designed softwares, highly designed equipment, uh, like the internal processor out there, the processing system it uses, internal components like graphics out there, the internal points of the battery, connected points out there, uh, resolution, display, which kind of is it offering you the same display or not? In pre-installed windows out there, the Intel processing out there, the webcam installed graphics out there, each and every single processing memory, type of memory, memory speed out here, everything has to be checked. Now, talking about these parameters, once they are crossed, they are certified as refurbished or certified refurbished products. Now, when we talk about these products, we can say that they have been verified now. What would happen if it fails in any one of the production, in any one of the tests? It has to be renewed or replaced by an original product from the company itself. Yes, it has to be replaced by the company product out there. The company has to replace that gadget or that particular part out there from the original product. Now when we are done with this, when it is renewed, it is absolutely ready to be sold off, it is categorized now as a refurbished product. Now what are the advantages of having a refurbished product? Because there must be some advantages. Now when we talk about advantages, number one is the pocket friendly rates. You get to have pocket friendly rating out here. Yes, refurbished products offers you pocket friendly rate out here. Along with that, you also get to see that brand new products are actually expensive, whereas refurbished products are slightly profitable. So there is a difference in the pricing. So you get to have a good amount of savings. Yes, you can have a good amount of savings also. So savings and pocketable rates, everything is done. So what would happen if brand new products are offering you 1 year warranty and exchange policy out here? But does pre-owned gadgets also have only the same? Because we have seen brand new products are offering you all these things, but mostly refurbished, or we can see the pre-owned gadgets. Actually, pre-owned gadget does not offer that. But when you have a gadget under the category of refurbished, yes, if you have a category written on it, refurbished, you get to have 6 months warranty along with that 70 exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy is being offered out with refurbished gadgets. Now let us talk about that gadget once again. So you must try out refurbished products also. So let us check out this website once again. It is offering you large section, we can say you get to have a great range of products from various reputed brands. Yes, you get to have reputed brands out here and a great collection out there. Apart from that, it offers you great deals, that is pocket friendly rating out there, we can say pocket friendly rates out there. Apart from that, it offers you a huge savings. Yes, you get to have a great savings out there. Along with that, 6 months warranty is also being offered on this website. So 6 months warranty is also being offered. This site, that is just at click.com. Yes, the description has the link, just at click.com. You can check out the description box out there, or you can click on Google and type just at click.com. The website name has been highlighted out here. Apart from that, this website offers you some more functionalities. These are like free home delivery along with money back guarantee. So you get to have an exchange policy also. Now free shipping is there, so you will get to have a COD also. Yes, you get to have COD and free shipping along with it. Talking about the shipping timing, it might vary if your gadget is customized gadget. If you are customizing your gadget, then it might take some time. Otherwise, it usually takes 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. Depending upon the availability, you can check out the website. For best pricing, visit out the website. Description has the link, and you can also check out the website from Google, that is just at click.com. You can also call on the helpline number which is in the description box. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.